Hi, this is Dr. Harris Jensen with a review of color illustrations for Chapter 1 in my book, Prescription for Positivity. It's about what you need to do to make progress. So positivity will chew through the mazes in your mind because it has tremendous ability. It has computing power equal to 100,000 smartphones, and exercise actually is like stem cell therapy. And so a positive attitude with these action steps is super powerful. And here I go over how your positive attitude can be empowered with a whole system of thinking about things using your support network with advisors who let you know what you can do to make progress with social skills or academic skills. Planners, where you write down what you're going to do and when you're going to do it. Pessimism might dog you, but now you're going to be empowered by knowing the elements of pessimism so you can reject it. And you're going to write down life goals so you can pursue them. Making progress with those is going to be possible because you're focused on what works for progress on your life goals. So there's lots of stories to illustrate that so you can make progress on your goals too.